Okay, the objective of this test is to basically figure out how much thrust I can get through this motor that I bought. This is a motor that I bought from eBay. This is the name for it. As you can see, this is a 35 diameter and 11 millimeter length, and it's called UPGO, and it's 850 kV motor. The propeller I'm using is an electric EP 12-inch 60 pitch. And so I'm gonna be using this battery. It's a 4000 milliampere hour, a 3S battery, 15C discharge. The microcontroller, or what's it called, the speed controller, is a 30 amp, and I'm gonna test it with that, and then maybe I will test this Sport APC, which is the same size as the other one, except it's a little heavier, so it probably has more drag, and I want to just see how much thrust they can provide with respect to how much power they require for that thrust. We're gonna film it because that way we can review it, because things happen too fast for us to actually memorize. Okay, now that I adjusted it, I can test it. First, basically, have to adjust this thing, this guy here. I want to have a good quality movie, and so we want to make sure that we can see everything. And basically, the motor is just controlled with my remote control here. and I'm just gonna basically go through the full throttle, and hopefully I don't break anything, because it's gonna be quite a lot of thrust, and the motor will be very powerful. And that's the objective. We just want to test it to its limit, half throttle, see how much that is, and then all the way to the bottom. Obviously I have to keep it from flying all over the place. Half throttle, half throttle. I'm gonna try it one more time because it keeps sliding away. Okay, so we saw that full throttle is 1500 gram of thrust. That's 1 kilogram and 500. That's good. Now I just need to basically quickly dismantle this and try the other one and see how much it provides. I didn't actually get to look at how much current it actually used. And the motor is just a little warm. I usually don't fly with this. I did fly with it with the stock motor, and it burned out the motor. After that I've never had any chance. And then it destroyed even the EC. It destroyed the speed controller EC. ESC, sorry. ESC, that's what we call it, right? Mm-hmm. And I forgot I have to flip it. I keep forgetting that, because I wanted to push on the motor. So that way I can weigh the thrust, because I can't weigh the pull, but I can weigh its push against the motor. And you guys are gonna see the raw movie. I don't do anything. I'm not gonna put any effort trying to basically do this differently. So the battery seems to have lost very little. We only use it 168 milliamp hour, and the battery holds 4000, and now the voltage is at 1231 max. So when we push the throttle all the way up, it's gonna reduce, because the battery have some internal resistance, which will cause the voltage at the source, at the battery, to drop slightly, maybe 1 volt. That's because we have maybe like 20 milliamp, and then when the current draw is about 30 amp, something around that, then it's probably gonna drop it to a 1 volt or more. Hopefully it's readable. I can increase a little, zoom a little more. Hopefully it will be readable. Okay, so we will try half throttle, sit there for a little few seconds, and then push all the way up. It's slightly lower than the other one, 650, half throttle. Papers, get in the way, get out of the way. That was a little bit higher than the other one for the full throttle, but middle throttle was not as much, which is quite not understandable. But it's probably pulling more power. Let's do it one more time. That's half throttle. So it's using about 30 amp. That's as much as probably the AC can handle. It's still not hot, which means that the motor is really nice because it's out of the box. So I haven't used it yet. I'm only testing it. I have the exact motor, but I destroyed it because I couldn't find this adapter prop adapter. I couldn't find it anywhere for the other motor, so I had to flip it and use it from behind. And when I did it, basically this is the problem of making a plane, is if the propeller hits the ground for whatever reason, what happens is you're gonna snap, basically bend your shaft, and then you end up with a wasted motor. If not the entire assembly, motor, adapter, and possibly losing also your propeller. So I'm gonna do the test one more time to verify quickly whether we're getting same values as before. The motor is slightly warm from outside. Assume yes, it's been pulling 30 amps. Okay, try it one more time. That's half throttle. Oh, it's consuming about the same. That's strange how the other propeller is being able to basically pull more power, but the same amperage. Vibrating more, that's why it keeps sliding away. And I don't want to, I'm just putting my hand gently so it doesn't start spinning around. And they're both not warm at all. Using the other one actually makes it a little warmer. So that's it. Thank you for watching this.